How to make your account on Instagram private on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your account private on Instagram on iOS phone. And once you get here, after you click on your profile, click here on these three lines like this. Click here on settings and privacy, and now you scroll down and you will see account privacy. Click on it, and now as you see, you can turn it on and it's switched to private. And that's how to make your account private on Instagram. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching until the end.